What is going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. So today we're actually going to be modifying the cam follower on the JRL 2020C so we can throw on a ceramic blade. And for the new barbers that aren't familiar with what a ceramic blade is, it's basically a blade made of ceramic material that reduces the friction on the steel blade, which creates less heat so you don't burn your client, and also it lasts 50% longer and sharper than your standard blade that comes with the clippers, whether it's Wahl, JRL, whatever the case is. So today we're going to modify the cam follower. So stay tuned and let's get to it.